accused number 2, accused number 1. Mr. Carpini is appearing on behalf of accused 2. Your Worship, at this stage, I want to clarify the charges because we have two different schedules of offences here. Your Worship, in respect of accused number 1, the charge is that of murder of Sibongile Ngwana. That is in respect of accused number 1. Then in respect of accused number 2, the charge is that of defeating the administration of justice. Just to give perspective, Your Worship, in short, the allegation by the state is accused number 1 killed the lady, the victim in this matter. Then accused number 2, his vehicle was used to dispose of the body. The body was dropped off. Your Worship, he became aware of that the day after the murder. Your Worship, there was a missing persons report for more than a month and was searching for the deceased at no stage did he disclose that he was aware of where the body was, that he did.
Bail opposed in regard to both the accused?
So, Your Worship, the bail is opposed in respect of accused number 1, murder schedule 1 bail application.
State ready to proceed?
Immediate, Your Worship.
Does the purposes of worship confirm your appearance on behalf of accused 1, Your Worship? Does the purposes?
Ready to proceed?
I'm ready to proceed, Your Worship.
Thank you, Mr. Complainant.
Confused, Your Worship, I do confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 2 in this matter. Your Worship, I will now ready to proceed.
Thank you. Are we going to deal with the accused together or separately?
Your Worship, I think it would be easier if you look at it separately, because accused number 2's matter we might be able to finalise. I see it's already 3:03 in the afternoon, so that the case might run over the respect of accused number 1 in this matter.
Can we proceed with accused number 2 and then after that we'll proceed with accused number 1?
As the court please.
Thank you.
Worship, I thank you first of all for the indulgence, Worship, for proceeding with the bail application in respect of the case number 2, Worship. Worship, this is a Schedule 1 bail application, Worship. As far as the case number 2 is concerned, Worship, the accused does not have any previous convictions nor any pending cases, Worship. Worship, it is therefore the humble request that the accused number 2 be released on bail. Worship, may I just quickly turn to the accused confirmation of pardon.
Yes, you may.
Worship, it is my instruction that the accused cannot afford bail in the amount of 300. Worship, the accused has been in custody since the 3rd, and he is a self-employed businessman. Therefore, he has not been able to make means to get an income. He set it down on 300. As a conclusion.
In response to the request by
Raised by the court, Your Worship, in short, yes, we are not opposed to bail. The accused was arrested at home, we to locate him. Your Worship, he is a Lesotho citizen, he is living in the country, and the investigating officer has his passport at this stage. And so he cannot travel without passport. However, Your Worship, the fact that he is a Lesotho citizen, Your Worship, that poses the issue, although we have the passport now, so that is mitigated. I'm not opposing the bail or whatever. Your Worship, I'm just of the opinion that the quantum of 300 might be low. There must be an incentive for the case to return to court. Your Worship, I'm of the opinion that if the accused can afford a private attorney and he can, he has his own business, Your Worship, I would request an amount higher than 300 rand. Your Worship.
In regard to the passport, until when is the accused validly in the country?
Can I quickly verify with the investigator after he sits in the
Yes, and just also to that. Yes. Let's get into that.
Your Worship, for he has a valid passport for the whole month. It has to be, you don't have the exact date, but in February it needs to get stamped again, Your Worship. So
The investigating officer assist him to have it stamped to ensure that he does not get the arrest for being unlawfully in the country.
indeed, Your Worship.
Your Worship, I confirm our arrangements to the warrant, as far as the passport.
In regard to the quantum of bail, is the accused in any possibility to tender a higher amount?
Your Worship, I hear the state's concern, Your Worship, about the citizenship. Your Worship, I would then perhaps suggest a bail in the amount of 500. He is validly in the country, Your Worship. It's not like we are dealing with an illegal immigrant.
Where is he residing?
Your Worship, the address is number 8538 Joe's Road, Bloomfield.
What is the closest police station to where he resides?
May I just ascertain that?
Yes, you may.
Thank you for the indulgence, Your Worship. It is not now in the station.
In regard to accused number 2, this is a unopposed Schedule 1 bail application. The court has taken into account the address by both the applicant's representative, being Mr. Computer, as well as the state hearing. The purpose of bail is to ensure that an accused will attend to his trial to the conclusion thereof. The state is unopposed to the release of the accused on bail. The court accordingly is of the opinion that if bail is set, the accused will require conditions to ensure that he alleviates the fear of non-attendance in his matter, and as such the court thereby sets the accused bail in the amount of 500 rand. Furthermore, the accused is to report to the Mangaung police station every Monday and every Friday between 6 in the morning and 6 in the evening. Furthermore, he is not to have any contact with any of the state witnesses in regard to this matter.
Kaholo kota lere ifitela kaitu ya holo kulo kulo kabi ya maholo ama kama Iran kata sate helo yule holi mikale kinza hola ya kutsela usi yo ya kutsela usi.
As a court, please, Your Worship.
Conclusion, Your Worship, then concludes my work for this quantifiable maybe.
The date for postponement in this matter was only amended only in regard to the
Your Worship, my mandate so far is in relation to the bill application, but I there are prospects of making further instructions, Your Worship. That's why I can arrange the date.
It depends on the proceedings, how far we get, and then we will arrange a date thereafter. However, Ms. Woods, if it is in order,
Okay.
once the list has been dealt with, so the matter will then be postponed, introduce their affidavit or the evidence today, most likely will not finish.
Indeed, Your Worship, I will advise Mr. Conclusion of the date.
Thank you. And then that is the only issue. If we arrange a date for further investigation, it might be that that would not be the case at the end of the day.
As the conclusion.
Thank you.
Respect of the case number 1. Your Worship, in respect of the case number 1, it is the murder, the charge is that of murder. Your Worship, it is a schedule 5 bail application, it is an opposed application, Your Worship. My investigator officer is here. Necessarily read this.
The defense also ready to proceed.
As the purposes, Your Worship, the defense is ready to proceed, and as a result, I have drafted an affidavit in support of the bill application, Your Worship.
Thank you, may I proceed?
As the purposes, affidavit in support of bill application, I, the undersigned Tabang Fetus Matrikani, do hereby make the statement under oath and state I am a 27-year-old adult male person born on the 17th of April 1996, and I am the applicant in this matter. I seek relief from this honorable court to be released on bail, and I appreciate that this application is in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act, Section 60. I make this application affidavit on my own free will and have not my knowledge